Hey everybody, Tim here, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day because I'm going to be reviewing this package that was sent to me by Madam Glam. This collection is called Made in Color, and it was created to celebrate Pride Month. I've already seen the colors in this collection, so I'll just be giving you my honest first impressions about the consistency, the coverage, and just everything in general. So let's get started. I have already cut open the box here to speed things along, so here we go, opening the box. Upon first impression, I can see that everything is really well packaged. There are cushions in the box to, protect the product. And I've received their soak off gel polishes. In fact, I have 4 of them. There are 6 colors in this collection, but I have only received 4. And 2 of their polygels. They also have 6 polygels in this collection. So because I am not familiar with how to use the polygels, I'm going to only be reviewing the gel polishes. As you can see here, I have already laid everything out and everything is ready to go. If you notice, the bottles, the rainbow on the bottles, they're actually rearranged to match the color that's in the bottle. So I think that's a really cool touch from Madam Glam. So without further ado, I'm gonna put these aside and I'm gonna start swatching the colors for you. So here we go. So the first color we have here is called Burlesque. It is a ruby red hollow glitter gel polish. The consistency of this polish is pretty much like most gel colors in the market. The one thing I want to point out though is that usually glitter polishes can be a bit chunky due to the amount of glitter that's in the bottle, but as you can see here, as I'm applying it, it is really smooth and really easy to apply. Even with one coat, it has a really high glitter payoff. So this is one coat of Burlesque, and you want to cure this for 30 seconds in an LED lamp and 2 minutes in a UV lamp. And now I'm just applying a second coat of Burlesque, and you can see the true color showing. The first coat is kind of like a jelly nail look, so it's more sheer, but once you apply the second coat, the coverage is amazing. I love how sparkly it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure this second coat. So here you can see Burlesque. This color reminds me of the red ruby slippers on Dorothy. It is really beautiful. So here we have the second color in this collection called The Bitch Is Back. I love the name of this color. As you can see here on the lid, the color matches the color in the gel bottle 100%. It is the exact same color. It is an orange hollow glitter gel polish. It's not a very bright orange though, it's more like leaning towards like the burnt orange spectrum. So here I'm applying the first coat of this color, and as I'm applying, you can see what I meant when I said before that it's like a jelly look. It's more like a see-through color. It gives it like a glass effect. But even though it's a glass effect, the pigment and the glitter payoff is still amazing. You can still say it's an orange glitter gel color. Now I'm applying a second coat, and when you apply a second coat, it will give you a more opaque color payoff. So it's like a true orange hollow glitter. And same thing as before, you need to cure this in the lamp, 30 seconds in the LED lamp, and 2 minutes in a UV lamp. And here is The Bitch Is Back. I still love the name and I really love the color. It is the perfect orange glitter, perfect for the summer, and it's not too bright for those who want to experiment with color. This is a really good option for them. Moving on, the third color we have here is called Rawr. This is a dark emerald green hollow glitter gel polish, and once again the color is on the lid and it corresponds to the color that is in the bottle. I personally do not have a lot of green glitters in my collection, so I think this can be a very good staple for a green glitter. It is really beautiful, really sparkly, and really green. Like it's kind of like a true green color. So once again, I'm going to apply the first coat of this color, and the first coat gives off a stained glass finish. It is more see-through, but it's still very beautiful. You can do a lot with these kind of jelly looks, especially now it's getting more and more popular to get like a clear tip, and this would be a good way to give color in the clear tip. here I am applying the second coat of this color, and now you will have more color and more glitter payoff. Look how sparkly it is. And here we have Rawr, a green hollow glitter gel polish. Very beautiful, definitely part of this collection. I absolutely love it. And last but not least, we have the fourth color that I'm reviewing, and it is called No Hate. Because this collection was designed to celebrate Pride Month, naturally we need every color of the rainbow. So this is a blue hollow glitter gel color. So throughout all of these swatches, the formula of these polishes are very consistent. They all give a stained glass look on the first coat and then a more opaque finish on the second coat. So I personally am into the jelly nails trend, so I would definitely be creating a nail set using this stained glass effect from these gel colors. So if you want to see what kind of design I will create, please follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description down below. So now I am applying a second coat of this beautiful blue hollow color. So when I was kindly asked to review this collection by the Madam Glam team, I was very happy to know that everything is vegan, it is cruelty free, as well as 9 free. So it's really awesome to know that these are high quality and healthy products. So, and after 2 coats, here we have the color No Hate. It is a stunning blue hollow glitter color, and it is very beautiful. It's so reflective and so sparkly. I absolutely love it. And here we have all 4 color swatches side by side. I would definitely be purchasing the other 2 color, which is a yellow and a purple, to complete the rainbow. So now it's time for my final thoughts on this collection. I love that Madam Glam designed this collection specifically to celebrate Pride Month. The formula is great, the consistencies are amazing. I love that you can create 2 different looks from using the gel colors. If you guys are interested in purchasing this collection or any Madam Glam product, you can use my discount code TIM30 to get 30% off your entire order. I will also include a link to their online store in the description down below. Please let me know in the comments which is your favorite color from this collection. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to receive notification when I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy Pride, and I will see you next time. Bye!